Taking a picture of a pizza.
Of what?
A pizza. A pizza.
What did you say, Melody?
A pizza.
A pizza?
Yes.
Where?
Here. Made it from a kit.
From a kit?
Yeah.
Where's the kit?
Here. Here.
Uh-huh. Melody, turn it so I can see it. Look at that. A pizza kit. And there's the pizza. Well, it's a funny shape.
Valentine's pizza.
A Valentine's pizza. I see. And there's a round one someplace too. There. Well, what do you know? All right. Continue.
Yeah, Melody. Sprinkle sauce. No, don't.
I'll sprinkle inside.
No, I think
Nathan better help.
well,
Oh, that's the cheese, eh?
Yes.
Mmm. Looks good.
oops.
We both help it. And
Uh-oh. You got some more cheese for the other
Yeah.
pizza?
I've got it right here. Come stand where I am, please.
Hey, don't.
Careful now. Just a little bit at a time.
Why do I have to sprinkle a little bit at a time?
Because we don't want a great gob of cheese all in one place.
Melody, shake it a little.
Getting around to it, Nathan.
Okay. Shake a little bit, otherwise it'll... Whoops. Is that it?
Yeah.
Yes.
Alright, better let Nathan help you spread it around with some kind of an implement. He's going into the kitchen there to get something out of the drawer.
I'll help do this part, Nathan.
I think better let Nathan do this part. So when did you start on this project?
I think it was about 2 o'clock.
And it's now about 3:15 according to our bird clock up there. What is the note underneath the bird clock?
Remind me to bring my lunch, which I'll probably still forget.
To school, you mean?
Yeah.
Why do you need to spread that part? Why can't I help with that part?
It's difficult.
So we're gonna eat this pizza tonight?
I guess.
How long are you supposed to bake it? So what all came in this kit?
2 of these.
That's the mix, okay.
Yeah. And sauce.
Yeah.
And another one of these of cheese.
Melody is making pizza fun?
Yes. I have my apron on
Oh.
to cook.
Where did you get the apron? Who gave you that?
Aunt Carol.
Did you get that for Christmas?
Yes. That's a pretty brand new one, too.
So, what are you getting ready to do?
Put the pizzas in the oven.
So, they've been rising, have they, since we last photographed them? Alright, put them in. Let's see what happens. How long do they have to cook?
I think it's 18 minutes or something.
Alright. Very good. We'll see what they look like 18 minutes from now. Gonna take that pizza out of the oven?
Yeah.
Alright, let's see what it looks like. Boy, it smells good. Look at that.
We made that pizza, Dad.
Golden brown crust. That looks delicious and smells delicious. What do you think, Melody? Take a whiff. What does it smell like?
It smells like golden flowers or seeds or something. Seeds.
Like golden brown crust, huh?
Yeah.
Good. All right, let's cut it up and eat it. What do you think?
I think I should.
Good. So, here's the big test. The taste test. Go ahead, you can be the first biter. How is it?
Good.
Fair, huh?
Better than fair.
How does it compare to the frozen pizza we usually buy?
As good as the best one.
Good. Very good. Melody, have you taken a bite yet?
No.
Try it. Try it. You'll like it.
The sauce is good.
The sauce is good, huh? How come we're all in this corner here? Huh?
The video on TV.
The video. This is our Sunday night video routine, huh? A little
I guess.
education. Which video are we going to watch today? Pick it up. Let me see it.
Prelude to War and the Nazis Strike.
Prelude to War. So this is part of the World War II series. All right, put it in and let it rip. We're gonna learn something while we eat, huh? All right, good.
Uh-oh.
Well, hello, Melody.
Hello?
Where are you right now?
I am gonna walk.
In a walk.
Yes.
You're gonna be in the walkathon
Yes.
to raise money for Hidden Treasure
Yes.
Christian School. Good. And all your friends are here with you.
Yes.
They're registering right now, huh?
Yes.
Oh. And what are you gonna be wearing when you walk?
Shoes.
Your new shoes.
Yep.
Brand new shoes. Look at that.
And take a picture of Kirsten. She's over there.
Over where?
Over there.
Where's Kirsten? Number 50.
Pretty good.
All right.
Take a picture of her and her signs. And her. Take a picture of her.
Number 154. Oh, you ready to walk?
Yes, I am.
How many laps are you gonna go?
Bunch.
A bunch. Melody, how many laps are you gonna go?
A bunch.
A bunch. All
Good
right.
job, Melody.
We'll see. Okay, number 112. You ready to walk? Or are you gonna skate? Huh? Skate? Is that allowed?
Amy.
And there's Katie.
Melody.
Number 69.
Hey, Melody.
Melody,
My baby.
you ready to walk? Oh.